searching for the good in our neighborhoods and each other. Not just finding what's wrong, but what's right. A true reflection of Cincinnati. Find the good in your mornings. Good morning, TriState.
This is WCPO 9 News.
We thank you for choosing us. I'm Evan Millward. Here's a look at some of today's top stories. A former Madison Township fire chief is in jail now, accused of sexual misconduct involving a child. The Butler County Sheriff's Office says Ronald Miller of Middletown faces 2 counts of rape and 4 felony counts of gross sexual imposition involving a minor. Miller has been booked into the Middletown City Jail. The snow is still hours away, but some counties and cities are already issuing snow emergencies. Many in northern Kentucky are currently under level 1 snow emergencies. That means that parked cars need to be moved off public streets to let plows clear and treat roads. A level 2 snow emergency means you should just stay home if you can and only drive if it's absolutely necessary. Some cities will ticket or even tow parked cars that are violating that snow emergency. A lot of us have suddenly remembered we need good snow shovels and salt, and you've probably noticed they're almost all out. We checked with McCabe Dewitt Center in Delhi today. Assistant store manager Carl Doffing says they sold out of all their salt and shovels in 3 days last week. They're still getting calls looking for salt every 10 minutes. If you didn't manage to get any ice melt or rock salt, there are some alternatives that you might already have on hand. Vinegar will help melt snow and ice. You can also use kitty litter or coffee grounds if you need to add traction on your driveway, your sidewalk, or your patio. Let's get an update on the track of this winter storm now from Sherry.
Evan, it's headed our way. In fact, we have a winter storm warning that starts at 1 tomorrow in the morning here and then continues through Tuesday for the entire tri-state. We're going to see a round of snow overnight and the second round or wave during the afternoon and evening and into the night. 8 to 12 inches. That's our uptick in snowfall totals that we think we're going to see here around the tri-state. Areas south and east of the tri-state around Adams and Mason County, 5 to 8, because you could see a little bit of light icing that cuts into the snow totals for you, but makes it a little bit more dangerous, more hazardous. Temperature-wise, it'll be in the teens when we get started tomorrow and in the lower 20s when it's all said and done. And that's great snow producing temperatures there, as we will see, again, very impactful snow that will not only bring our roadways to a crawl in some instances, but could be a little bit dangerous for you if you have to get in and out of it. So be careful.